Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be demonstrating ankle exercises using a wobble board. These exercises can be done if you're having issues with balance, if you're having issues with weight bearing. So as you can see, she's comfortably sitting on the chair and her ankle is placed on the board. Now, we are starting the exercises. First exercise is plantar flexion, that is bending your ankle downwards and holding it for 5 seconds, and then dorsiflexion, that is taking your ankles upward so that you tilt the board downwards this way. Repeat. Again. Repeat this for around 10 times. Next, you can do inversion and eversion. For inversion, rotate your ankle inwards like this. The toes have to be on the board. Do as much as you can. The movement you achieve by doing this is directly proportional to your ankle mobility. So more mobile ankle you have, better the movement you will be able to do. Then eversion, that is taking your ankle outwards, and the board also has to tilt on the other side. Hold, then again inversion, inwards. Make sure you keep the toes down. Hold, and then outwards. Remember, the movement has to occur from the ankle joint and not from hip joint. Now, move the ankle in a circular way, and the movement again has to occur from your ankle joint. Tilt the board as you perform the circular movement of your ankle. Make sure your toes are firmly on the board. Yeah, that's good. As you can see, she has slight stiffness in her ankle, so the movement is as not free as it should be. But as you do the exercises on daily basis, your mobility will definitely improve. Once you gain confidence in doing exercise in sitting position, then you can progress to doing these exercises in standing position. Here, as you can see, she is supporting herself using her hands, and then she is standing on the board. Now, you have to perform the same movements in this position. It will be slightly more challenging as compared to sitting. So, let's start. So, first is plantar flexion, that is taking your leg downwards. Bend your ankle downwards. The board is going down from the front. Hold for 5 seconds and then take your ankles upward, that is dorsiflexion of the ankle joint. Upwards, upwards, your heels are going down, a little faster, yes, hold, hold, your toes have to be on the board, hold for 5 seconds and then repeat, down. Repeat this for around 10 times. While doing this exercise, you will experience that you are able to load your ankle joints sufficiently. This is very beneficial for people who are undergoing rehabilitation post-injury of the ankle, knee, and they have problem in gait or walking properly. So if you practice the balance board exercises or wobble board exercises regularly, you will be able to see improvement in the way you walk. Put it down, down, yes, hold, and then slowly back. Next exercise. Here you have to move from one side to the other, right and left, right and left. The board will tilt on the right as you move towards the right and left as you move towards the left. Make sure your toes are in contact with the board. Hold. Repeat this for 10 times. Next exercise is circular movement in this position. Move your ankle. The movement has to come. Yes, right. The toes have to remain on the board. That's right. Do this exercise for around 1 minute. First clockwise and then anti-clockwise. This is an excellent balance exercise which can be done regularly to improve your balance. Make sure you're standing straight and not bending forward. Now, as your confidence improves, you can do this exercise without an additional support. That is, in an unsupported position or without using the support of your hands. Here, you have to repeat all the 3 exercises again. But initially when you're trying to do this, try and stand near a bed or a chair so that you can hold, you have something to hold on in case you feel unstable. So first let's start with dorsiflexion, hold and then plantar flexion. Make sure you're engaging your core muscles, standing straight when you do this. Hold for 5 seconds and shift. 1 and then down. 2. Yes. Repeat for 10 times. Next. Side by side. Yes, on one side, right and left. Right and left. Right and left. Next, repeat this for 10 times and then you can do circumduction, that is rotating in a circular position. Forward, back, make sure your feet is on the board. As you do this regularly, you will be able to do it quite easily. If you feel unbalanced in between, you can hold on to the bed. So I hope these exercises were useful. Take care.